Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x80246012 with message. We couldn't install this update, but you can try again with the error code 0x80246012. And the most frequent cause of this error is in relations to an issue with the Windows Update service, corrupt update files, network connectivity, corrupted system files, low disk space, and incorrectly configured Windows services. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the network and internet troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And again here at other troubleshooters, and and again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select network and internet. And on right side, then you can see here this run and then click. And we will redirect here at help and support. So all you have to do is to follow the step-by-step method and procedures to fix this error. So you need to follow whatever the screen instructions to fix these issues. Alright, so once you're done here at help and support, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to check relevant services. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type services and then click open. And once you open up this services and services local, and on right side, then you need to find and locate this Windows update, and then you need to scroll down, and then next step, then you need to select. Alright, so check this service if it is already running or not. So if this service is already running, and then click restart, but if not, then go ahead, double click and open properties. Then once you select this Windows update, and then you need to right click, and then this service is not running. So you can see here this is not running. So all you have to do is to select and double click. And then here at general properties, startup type, select automatic. And then here at service status, and then click start and wait to complete start process. And after that, and then click apply and then click OK. Alright, and the next keyword that we need to modify is the background intelligent transfer service. So scroll up, and then same procedures you need to select and then right click, and then check this service is already running or not. So since this service is not running, so all you have to do is to select and double click. And then here at general properties, startup type, select automatic. And here at service status, and then you need to click this start and wait to complete start process. And then next step, then click apply and then click OK. Alright, and the last keyword that we need to modify is the cryptographic service. So scroll down and then find this cryptographic service. So same procedure, select and then right click, and then check this service is already running or not. So since this service is already running, then we need to select restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, and then we need to close this services in hope to resolve the problem. But if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side, then you can see here this run and then click. and way to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed. And then here, so we have problems found that Windows update issues, this the detected. And the other one, the service registrations is missing or corrupt and already fixed. And we have the option here that if the problem or issues is already fixed, then click yes, but if not, click no. And also you need to follow this screen instructions to solve the issues. And as well, you can view the view detailed informations about these issues. So once you're done here at Windows Update Troubleshooters, and then we need to close, and then here at Start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x80246012 in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.